Yo, what's up, y'all? So today, quick recap on my trade that I took today. Approaching $800 in gains. I locked in or secured $600 today so far. So took two trades, Tesla and AMD, and I took two different types of positions. Right, one was for day trade, and the other was for a longer term position. So I wanted to keep that, for the entire day, possibly overnight and into the week. So pretty dope, man. Tesla took off today. I approached the trades with my usual top-down technical analysis, and I wrote some notes so I make sure I don't rumble on. I started from the monthly time frame to get a bird's eye view. Then I worked my way down through the weekly 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute charts. This process helps me identify key levels and pivot points, areas basically where price has historically shown resistance or support. And with Tesla on the monthly chart, I had marked out a major level of resistance. It was like 347 and change, level tested multiple times, 5 times actually. And in the pre-market today, Tesla broke that resistance, which boosted my confidence for a strong move upward, right? And then the price ran pretty close to it, like just shy of 347 and change, and I was able to lock in, like I said, over $600 in profit today. My goal when I trade is $300 to $500 per, each day that I trade, right? With AMD also took off in the morning. It was crazy, breaking the previous day highs before pulling back. The key level I'm watching is 174, which serves as both the last line of defense and a pivot point in the trend. So we'll see. I'm holding this one. Like I said, I'm holding this one. But just today's outcome, Tesla, a little over 600, AMD still running, starting the week off strong, right? And hopefully we'll continue to build on this consistency. But I want to talk briefly about my reflection and mindset. Since June, I've noticed a real shift in how I see the charts, and things are clicking. I mean, really clicking. And my accuracy has improved thanks to my mentors, Scarface Trades and J Dub. I've been providing their information publicly so people can check them out. But one of the biggest lessons came from comparing paper trading to my live trading. And what I noticed is with paper trading, it lacked emotional weight. Like I could place trades without fear because it wasn't real money. And then in live trading, I initially felt like fear, anxiety, and hesitation. Not wanting to lose, basically, not even a penny. I don't care. I don't want to lose no money. But I realized I needed to, define a comfortable risk range for myself in my live trades. And for me, that amount is anywhere between $100 to $1,000 per trade. And that's my risk amount. Okay. So recently I've been testing lower delta contracts, and these are your cheaper contracts. So I've been doing this with Tesla and other tech stocks like AMD and NVIDIA, in swing trades and giving them room to run. Even these cheaper contracts can return, 200, turning into $1,000. All right. So in a little as 1 to 3 days. So this is crazy. So like, stay tuned for more and just stay abreast, continue to tap in and see, my progress or whatever. But yeah, on a $10 to $20 move, man, it can move like that. And I've been noticing that as I've been keeping track of on the paper side of paper trading side of things. So this is huge when thinking about scaling into the, more costly or pricier contracts, like between the 0.45 deltas up to as high as the 0.65 deltas. So yeah, if you like to continue to learn more, feel free to tap in with me. I'm going to do a actual trade recap, going over the charts and the numbers tomorrow morning in my pre-market prep. Every day I do a pre-market prep live, 7 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Eastern. All right. I'll see y'all there. It's your man Ace. I'm dropping the mic right here. I'm out.